Hello everybody, I'm your host, Ted at StopStrugglingNow.com, and I've been missing in action because I've been under the weather. And as you can see, I'm traveling again. But while I'm traveling, we're going to talk about a few things. Even though I've been sick, even though I've been out of the country, checks have kept coming. Why? Because of online marketing, because of residual money-making ventures. These are the kind of things that you need because you never know when you'll be ill, when you're going to be in an area where you have no access to anything, but yet you can still generate a few dollars. We're going to talk about it. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Well, you can tell I'm a little under the weather. My voice isn't what it's supposed to be, but hey, I haven't sent a video up for a week or longer. So I just feel, hey, what the hell. So anyhow, what I'm talking about here is residual income. While you're sick, while you don't have a permanent job, you can always do it. This is what we've been talking about, online marketing, referral marketing. So some of you already know, you've been paying attention. IXQ TV, for instance. That's only $59 a month. I've mentioned this several times. People were signing up while I was gone from other business partners, which generated commission for me. And because I was running ads on Facebook, believe it or not, you can run these. I haven't ran this down to you guys yet, but the $1 a day still gets a few hundred people a day to look at your advertising. So all you have to do is spend $20, $30 a month, and you could possibly get a couple of signups, and that pays for itself. So that happened while I was gone. So my point is, all this time we're talking about investing, which, by the way, if you would have invested in a few things, you would have made a little bit extra money on stocks. If you were in Bitcoin, well, it's been rising, but you know how that goes up and down. But network marketing seems to be the mainstay of things. Referral marketing, online marketing using Amazon, eBay, things like that. I had stuff that I sell for my Birds restaurant equipment, and people are hitting me up saying, we're gonna come by tomorrow, we need stuff. Once again, I didn't have to do anything. Those ads just been up running for free on OfferUp, for free on LetGo, for free on eBay. So even though I've been sick and not doing anything, money is still there on the table. So this is why you put in a little work. You don't spend 30 days. You don't spend 2 months. You put in a year. See what's going to happen. Put in fruits of labor. Plant the seeds. See what's going to grow. So this has to be short and sweet. You can hear my voice. Isn't that good? So, thank you for watching. And once again, please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And keep your head up. Keep moving. And I'm out.